Hi, and welcome to a really quick tutorial. And it's not so much a tutorial as more of some instructions, really, just to help people who have bought my new paper bead roller really understand how it works, and for those people that might be interested in it to kind of see how it works. So this is the new paper bead roller. It's double-ended and it comes with a little bag filled with 4 different size rollers. So I'll just pop those out and you can see the size of them. So you're going to get a 1.5mm, a 2mm, a 2.5mm and a 3mm. And my personal choice for making beads is pretty much always the 3mm. That's my kind of go-to size. This size down here you can easily use for making little small tiny sort of seed beads, and then these ones in the middle are really good if you've got something specific in mind. You know that you've got a particular size of necklace, you know, if you've got a particular size of string or cord that you want to use. So you really have got a lot of options with this. Now the beauty is that with this paper bead roller it is double-ended. So let me show you. So first of all I'm going to unscrew both of the ends just to show you what exactly you get. So take that one off and I'm going to take that out and I'm going to unscrew this one. And take that out. Okay, so what you have got, and this is the really handy part, is you've got these, and you might be mistaken for thinking they're exactly the same, but they're not. So as you can see, each end is slightly different, and each end will hold a different bead roller. So, for instance, if we look at the largest size, this is the one that is going to hold this one. So you would pop it in here, like so. And then if we have a look at one of these, we might go for maybe this size to go in here and see how it goes. It's going to pop in there all the way down until we actually put it in the clamp. So let me show you how, let's show you how this one would work. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it back in and we're going to keep the end out that we want to use. We're going to pop our bead roller in and hold it just sideways, just so that it doesn't literally just fall all the way down. And you can see you've got some little slots in the side here, so you can see how far down you are putting it. You don't want to be having it so far at the top that it's literally wobbling in position, but you want to, you know, a couple of millimeters down, pop your cap on and screw up. So we're going to get screwing. Okay, so I know that whilst I was doing that, that popped down a bit further. So I'm just going to pull it back up. And then you can hand tighten it. But if you wish, and it's entirely up to you, you can use a little spanner just to give that a slight turn tighter if you wanted to. But honestly, some finger tightening is absolutely fine. And now your bead roller is in place and it's not going to move. So then you can then pop your other end in here and pop your bead cap on, not your bead cap, your roller on. And you might want to play around with which end you feel fits into which slot the best, which one feels the most comfortable with you, for you. So we can just tighten it up as far as you can. And again, if you want to, just use a spanner. And there we go. We have got 2 ends of 1 bead roller. So in total, you only really need 1 bead roller, but you can interchange the ends to get different ones. So super easy, super fun to use. And if you are a sort of travelling crafter like I am, you know, in the car, on the bus, or on the train, or, you know, depending on the current rules, you might be able to take it on the plane with you. You know, you only have to take one thing with you. You haven't got to be taking 4 different rollers with you, because you can just switch from one end to the other end. And then when you want to change size, you just pop out this one, to unscrew this, pop it out, change the end, work out which one's going to fit in then best. And there we go. a super easy professional paper bead roller that is so easy to use. And one of the beauties of this is that I know for a lot of my Australian customers, they have issues with importing wood. So there's obviously no wood in this, so it is not going to be an issue for importing it into your country. And as always, Squeaker Chimp sells worldwide. There isn't a country that we don't send to, and everything is fully tracked, unless it's going to a country like South Africa where there is no tracking because we use Royal Mail. But you know, if you need to, just get in touch with me and I'm sure we could always arrange a different type of courier. But there we go, one bead roller, 4 different sides, 4 different sizes, super simple and easy. A great gift for Christmas for those crafty ones. Okay, speak to you soon.